say them on the street and me can't see it. Fuck a hell line with the blood kid. Man, get some pussy on the farmer.
DJ Cartel there and barely I get pussy in a dog. Or that road I fuck a whole like girl and just imagine for fuck right now. You know?
Man, get some pussy on the farmer.
The shot girl you have me know she lonely when she on the and want her fuck you never there.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So dancehall artist Alkaline drop his new song entitled Nah Feel Like. And people, in that song them talk about things. Him even shade VYBZ KARTEL, you know. Me don't know why. Right now, everybody at trouble VYBZ KARTEL say him lock up in himself and him not get the vagina. Anyway, in this review, me gonna tell you what I honestly think about this song. Me gonna tell you some of the things you probably miss, some of the points you probably miss in this song. So people, remember to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section. And if it's the first time watching the Chaddy More TV, welcome. And hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notification as well. Me could go in night, no?
Not for like the one cause I can matter. Better than a summer. Watch me out the gal I'm with me. Skinny thought when I could be the hammer. Eat the banana. Gal I'm on the money strictly.
Studio Vibes, big up yourself cause you produced the one here. And first thing what me notice with this song are the beat. I love the beat. The beat bad. So Alkaline, I say yo, watch you know, una not feel like me. Even though we are trending youth, we are the hot topic. And we know say una not like that. But guess what? Una not feel like we. Cause all of the girls them love we. Una baby mother love we. You hear the same shot? Yeah man, all of them. So people, Alkaline even DISS VYBZ KARTEL in other song, you know. In DISS KARTEL, wicked. In DISS KARTEL, in a DISS line, what me I go play right now.
Yeah, I say them on the street and me can't see it. Fuck a hell line with the blood kid.
Alkaline say, oh, them must say, them run the street and we can't see it. The whole of them boy, they are lied. And people, me feel like a Teejay attack. Alright, listen to the party out of Up Top Gaza.
Up top Gaza, we are running city yard.
Yeah, Up Top Gaza, we are running city. And in a Alkaline song, him say, oh, them, I say them run the street, but we can't see it. Meaning, him I say, oh, Teejay and VYBZ KARTEL, I said, them are run the street and we can't see it. People, wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about that. Alright, me get it right?
Man, get some pussy on the farmer. Get the one you can tell us some stuff with me.
Hey, you Alkaline, I want face the piece of boy, no. This is how I rate with Alkaline. You see me? Him with style you, and you never know, so you get style. Him just style you neat. The man say, yo, you not get the pussy on the palmer. It better you hold your corner. Alright, VYBZ KARTEL right now in our little 4-corner cell. We don't know that that's something they got already. We don't have to talk about it. And we know say VYBZ KARTEL name Adidja Palmer. Same even style him back wicked when him say Annie Palmer. Chaddy was star. The man has a cartel in a prison. Buck him fist.
No Karachi vines, left your Nancy. Pull up head and shot him should have been like Cosby.
People, me don't know if I may pre in the line here today power. But we are going to dissect the line here. Zin? The man say, yo, I know Karachi thing. Binds left your Nancy. Zin? You should have Bill like Bill Cosby. No. Remember, you know, say Alkaline and Popcaan did one little lyrical confrontation. And Popcaan waved the white flag. So is it that he must say Popcaan should have just Bill like Bill Cosby? And look how he compare Popcaan with Bill Cosby. We know say Bill Cosby get like what? Charged with sexual assault, some little pitney something and some bag of something. We're not supposed to know that case there. And when Bill Cosby whole and great, you see me? People them know say yo Bill Cosby do them thing there. So Bill Cosby actually Bill, even though Bill Cosby name Bill, but Bill Cosby did a Bill. So right now with the Popcaan situation, he must say Popcaan should have Bill like Bill Cosby because Popcaan don't know say him have the particular something upon him name. But the public no know. Cause Alkaline no tell waiter. Alkaline did say you know. Remember in that song when Alkaline said this.
People are sent Thomas to this place till I talk about your little case. Not talk about murder case.
So people, it just ironic the man used but Bill Cosby in other line there. You see me? I hope it makes sense and I hope you get what me I say. And more want to put it in the comment section and tell me what you really think about the line there.
If you know pet them. No fool can be it with dark and it's a classic. We no only set trend, and we no beg friend.
Everything what we do, a classic. It's. We not talk about some song. We just play up on the radio couple time. You see me? Them a trend for like a 1 week or 2 week, and then the other week we not remember about them. No. We are say classic round here. I remember Alkaline have a lot of classics. You see me? So right there, so we see Alkaline a throw word again towards VYBZ KARTEL. Remember, say a VYBZ KARTEL is a cuss about who a trend over there, you know. My cuss pan the media. I say, yo, people are buy trending and people are buy this and rare. Anyway, people, more you tell me in the comment section what you think about this song. If you feel great this song right now, much you give it out of 10. You see me? Where 10 is the highest and you know say 1 are the lowest. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram. People, run go over my Instagram page now. At Instagram the thing there, at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. People, I'm out. One way and any other way are the wrong way.